Welcome to Ongoing Adventures. This is our new series of DIY projects. Stick around, stay tuned. Let's see what I'm doing on this one. I'll catch you there on Ongoing Adventures.
Right, yeah, trailer's on. We're hooked up. We're ready to go. It's going to go to get this blue slip tomorrow. We're cracking on that. Pretty keen. So I finished up welding the chain plates, the hitches on, everything's working, lights are working. This thing's ready to go. Ready to blue slip. And we'll come back, put the canopy back on her, and then we'll get it all fitted out, ready to go. Hopefully go for a camp real soon in it and test her out in the tracks. Stay tuned, see how we go tomorrow. Right, so we made camp, got the else behind here. The boys are over there trying to get a bit of fire going for tonight. Let's give a quick flippy around and show what we've done. So there we go, got the trailer. So this is the first actual main camp trip the Maximus trailer's going on. Pretty sick, pretty easy, it's come out well. I'm super happy. Obviously, the more trips I do, I'll probably do some more modifications to it. But no, overall, I'm happy. It tows fantastic. Easy setup, as you saw in the video, how quickly it was when we put my rooftop tent up. We got Denny's swag and set up over here with his D-Max. Then we got Liam here with his new tent he just got. He jumped in the car with me for this trip. So we've got pretty good. We've got our little pots and pans and cookers ready to go. We've got this our boys weekend. We've got some kayaks. Here's Dan and Liam over here. Nothing like two knobbies. Trying to get a fire going for our little roast tonight. Let's see how we go. Stay tuned. Let's get cracking. And just like that, another episode of Ongoing Adventures is done. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share to all your friends and family, and I'll catch you on the next one.